How to batch convert audio files in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and go to the top menu where you will find the Tools tab. Click on it and select Batch Converter from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window specifically for batch processing. Next, click on the Add File button and select the audio files you want to convert. You can choose multiple files from different folders or add an entire folder at once by using the Add Folder option. Then, click on Next. This will take you to the Effects page, which is optional. You can add effects as per your preference. For example, you can apply normalization, trimming, or other effects to all files during the conversion process. After that, click Next. Now, choose the output file format you want. Click on Convert to File Format and from the drop-down menu, select the format you want to convert your files into, such as MP3, WAV, OGG, FLAC, and more. You can also choose to keep the same file format if you prefer. In the Output folder section, select where you want to save the converted files. Finally, once everything is set, click Next. WavePad will begin converting all the selected files one by one, and you will see the progress in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to batch convert audio files in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.